In this session, we're going to discuss search algorithm in artificial intelligence. If say search or searching, so we're looking for a certain artifact in a given premise. So for example, a data in a database, or a file in a folder, or in a game, a winnable move, okay? Or in a crossword puzzle, we're looking for a word that will answer the the hint or the questions given, or again in a game, so or in a map, we're looking for the certain position, okay, or certain location. So we're going to determine how we're going to traverse and going, or the different ways and going to that position. Okay, so that's searching. Okay, so searching is one of the services offered by an AI. Para mas madali natin maintindihan what is AI, we need to define first some terminologies. Okay, so first, initial state. If say initial state, this is the current state of the agent, the position of the agent. If we're talking about in a map, okay. And for the state naman, these are other nodes or other position that an agent could go to. Okay, and actions, these are lists of possible action that an agent could do in going to different states. Okay, and we also have transition model. So transmission model is the effect of going to other state. Okay, from the current going to the current, from current going to the next state. Okay, if you're already went, or you're already in the next state, so what is the effect? Well, you're going to update your searching, okay, searching process. Okay, so that's transition model. And also, we need to define yung cost in going to, or in meeting the required goal. Okay, so it is called path cost. Will it be the distance, the time going to that desired position, or desired, or looking for that file? Okay, and the goal test is whether you meet the required output. Okay, so that's goal test. So we have path cost, determine how fast it is in reaching the goal. Goal test, if we're going to test if we met the output. Transition model, what is the effect if we meet the current state. Action, what are the different moves that an agent could do in going to the next state, wherein the state is the other position that we could go to from the initial state. Okay, so these are some terms that we need to know in searching. Okay, and in searching, definitely we need to have a space wherein we could look for that artifact. We call it a search space. So it could be represented by a tree or a graph. Okay, so we all know what is a tree. Okay, it is composed of nodes and branches. So the first node, or the topmost node, is called the root, and the other nodes are connected through branches. Okay, nodes are connected through branches, and the last node, okay, are called leaves. So 7, 22, 31, 62, and 87 here are called leaves, since there's no node connected after it. Okay? And also, may tinatawag tayong depth and path cost. So, sabi ko nga kanina, if say path cost is it could be the time, the distance, okay, between nodes. So for example, 50 to 30, there is a path cost here. Will it be a time or distance between 30 and 50? Okay. And for the depth, okay, so it defines how many levels do we have in a tree. Okay. So the first level is level 0, which is the root, and the directly connected nodes to the root is called level 1. It belongs to level 1 rather. And connected to level 1, directly connected to level 1 nodes are called level 2, and connected directly connected to level 2 nodes are called level 3. So it means in this example, we have 4 levels. So we have 0 to 3 level. Okay, so don't forget that because we're going to use it on the different algorithms that we're going to use in searching. Again, depth means the number of levels in a tree. Path cost is the connection or is the cost of the cost going to the next node. Will it be the distance or time? Okay, it depends on the given. Okay, so in a search space, meron tayong mga regions na tinatawag na explored, frontier, and unexplored. If say explored, we know the connections between nodes. We know how many nodes in that region. And the last nodes on your explored region are called frontier region. Okay, so these are the last node that we know in your explored. And beyond the frontier, we call it unexplored. So here we use algorithms, different algorithms to explore it, to make it part of the explored region. So again, we have the explored, the black nodes here, frontier, the last node in your explored region, and beyond the frontier are the unexplored region, wherein we don't know the number of nodes and how they are connected. Okay, so we could determine which is the best or better search, okay, using this search evaluation based on time complexity, space complexity, or optimality. So you already discussed this in your data struct, okay? So we're just going to leave it. So now let's move on with a different type of search. So we have uninformed and informed. If say uninformed, we don't know anything about the domain, about the search space. While for the informed, we know. Okay, we have a knowledge about the search space, how the nodes are connected. Okay, how many nodes do we have? So it's an informed search. Okay, so let's start with an informed search. So we have 5 here: BFS, DFS, DLS, IDS, and UCS. Breadth first search, depth first search, depth limited search, iterative driven search, and uniform cost search. So let's start with breadth first search. Okay, so for breadth first search, the searching is per level. Okay, so we start with level 0, then proceed with level 1, proceed with level 2, proceed with level 3, so forth and so on, until we get the desired position or desired data that we are searching. Okay, so per level siya. Okay, so we're using the depth of the tree. Okay, so in this example, so start with node 0. Kapag wala kay node 0, we proceed with node 1, then proceed with node 2, node 3, hanggang hindi pa natin nakikita yung data that we are looking for, and then go to 5, 6, and 7. So it's up to you for each level or layer that na nag-search tayo. It could be from left to right or right to left. Okay? So just be consistent, okay, in doing the search, okay, in each level or each layer. Okay? So let's have an example. So let's have this. So we have 6 nodes, S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S for the start node or the root node. Okay, so it's from left to right. So the start search is node S, then followed by node 1. Okay, and then kapag wala sa node 1, we search in node 2. Kapag wala pa rin kay node 2, we proceed with the next level, which is level 2. So ano yung mga nasa level 2? Node 3 and node 4. So we search in node 3. Okay, and then we search in node 4. Okay, so paano malalaman na node 4 dito? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung mga na-search na node, nagiging blue. So, minamark natin every node that we already na-search na natin. Okay? So, S1. Okay, so this will be marked. Then, balik kay S. Punta kay 2. Okay, this will be marked. Balik kay S. Punta kay 1. Tapos may connected kay 1. So, we proceed with 3. So, connected siya. Balik kay 1. Balik kay S. Punta kay 2. Since mayroong dalawang node na connect kay 2, so punta muna siya kay 3. Since si 3 is already been searched, so hindi kailangan na i-exploit to. So proceed with 4. Okay? So 4. So this will be blued. Okay? And then, since wala na connected dito, balik kay 4. From 4, balik kay 2, balik kay S, baba kay 1, baba kay 3. May connected pa ba kay 3? Yes, si 5. So, bababa siya kay 5. Okay? And then, balik ka kay S. So, since already been marked, so ibig sabihin, we're done with the searching of the nodes. So, again, start with S. Then go back and then go down sa next level. So node 1, kung wala kay node 1, punta kay node 2. Okay? Kung wala kay node 2, proceed with the next level, level 2. So proceed kay node 3. Okay? Kung wala kay node 3, punta kay node 2 and then check kung ano yung mga connected kay node 2. Since connected na na search na si 3, so we go to node 4 na kagad. Okay? And kung wala kay node 4, balik kay S para tingnan ulit yung mga connected kay node 3, which is 5. So, the last node that will be searched will be node 5. Okay? So, this will be how we traverse in breadth first searching. Okay, another example. So, dito naman graph. So, we have 6 nodes, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so sa graph we don't have the root node, but we could define the initial state. So for me, I'm going to define the initial state as A. Okay, so that will be my level 0. Ano yung directly connected kay node A? E and C. So in this example, I start with on the right side. So, mauna si C. And then, followed by E. Okay. And then, next level, level 2, will be, ano yung connected kay C? Si B. So, pwede sumunod si D or si F. It's up to you. D and F. Okay, since they are all connected with C. Okay. So, based on that movement, we could create this tree. Okay. The movement of the searching. Okay. So, from here, ito yung movement niya. So, we start with A, go to C, then go to E, go back, and then ano yung mga connected kay C? B, F, and D. Okay? So, BDF is level 2, EC level 1, and A is level 0. So, that's BFS, breadth first search. Okay, per level. Okay? So, if you have any question about BFS, kindly send me a message. Okay? And the next video lecture will be the next algorithm, search algorithm. So thank you. See you on the next video lecture.